I'm going to show you some other ways to find synonyms, because some people aren't going to use the words that you want them to use. They use other stuff, like moms and grandmas and grandpas, and like instead of pants, they say slacks. So if you typed in cycling into thesaurus.com or synonym.com or bicycles, helmets, bike safety, whatever keywords you want that have to do with your niche, you're going to find some great synonyms. Wikipedia.org is also a good site for finding other keywords and categories that you might not have thought of. So if you type in a keyword here and you go down to the table of contents, you'll see other things that you might not have thought of. So maybe recreational biking, bike skills, bike tours, organized rides, mountain biking, racing, right? A lot of categories that you might not immediately think of. Bike safety. We talked about bike nutrition before. That was one that you might not have considered if you were in the business of selling bikes. And then there's also a website called Wiki Synonyms. Wikisynonyms. Well, I'll include it in the resources. And you type in a word, and it's going to give you other possibilities. So you get synonyms, bicycling, bicyclists, bike riding, cyclism. And you could even take words from the list you get and put them back in there and see if they come up with even more possibilities. And then you can read through Wikipedia articles and find even more words that they might be using. But this is a great way to figure out synonyms that you can use on your pages in place of another keyword, or in place of using a keyword over and over and over again. So we go back. Sometimes you won't get any results. Do mountain bikes. Right, you get urban mountain biking, all-terrain, lots of possibilities.